Jim from Brentwood, Tennessee, has a question about root removal.
Yeah, Tom, his flagstone has 2 roots growing underneath it, and look, he sent us this picture. You can see where he's dug some of them up already. Jim writes, I'm trying to find a way to kill and dissolve roots cleanly for another 15 feet of damage. I found a 3-inch diameter root 5 feet from the patio. I know I have to dig toward the tree to get the root and cut it, as we want to keep the tree. I do not want to dig out roots if possible, as it appears it would end up digging up about 200 square feet of my patio. So I hope there's a chemical or something I can use to decompose these roots. This root upheaval, by the way, has caused a pool of water about 4 feet by 15 feet on the patio, and he's not sure it's going to go back, or should he worry about those roots attracting termites?
I'm not too worried about the termites. Even if they did attract them, that's what termites are for, is to clean up old wood and clean up the forest. They actually have a very good purpose, believe it or not, but not around your house, of course. So that's not going to be an issue. There is nothing that's going to dissolve a root, short of taking it up and pouring super acid all over everything.
Yeah, that's right.
That's just not going to be the answer.
It only works in the movies.
You dig it out.
Yeah, that only works in the movies.
Yeah, true. No, if you can't just dissolve a root. It just doesn't work that way. Now, Mother Nature will eventually dissolve it and turn it into mulch, but that takes about 15 years. It takes a while. And that's why the termites are helpful, because they like to eat it up and get the process started.
What about the patio, though, in terms of the patio ever coming down? That's never going to kind of...
What you do is you take the patio up, you remove the root, then you pack down your stabilized soil and sand the way it's supposed to be, and you relay the patio, and it'll be fine. The patio will be fine, but you can't just dissolve a root and everything goes back down into this.
Why not? No, it's not how it works.
I mean, it'd be great, but no, there's nothing like that out there.
Yeah, that's why we have roads that have ripples in them, because things have happened and it doesn't ever go back down where it belongs.
Sidewalks or all kinds of stuff.
Exactly.
I mean, it's big. It's just not going to go away. I mean, it eventually will, and the concrete doesn't lay flat again. It's just going to be all cattywampus another way.
I knew you were going to say cattywampus. I was trying to get to...
Sorry.
No. But the point is, what I hear you saying is that his concern about it, wanting to avoid digging up that patio, he's going to have to dig up the patio.
Yeah, and it happens all the time. But actually, that's the beauty of those kind of patios. If it was concrete and it started to raise and crack and that root kept getting bigger, that's jackhammer. This, you can pull out the patios, you can reset the whole thing. You will have to remove the root, and then you can, restabilize the sand. It's work, but you don't have to jackhammer it all out and then pour the whole thing. You can take out just that section and relay it.
All right, there you go. You got a question? We'd be happy to help you out just like that. Go visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out that Ask Tom form right there on the homepage. Send it in. We'll do a video just like this that will run on our Facebook page or our YouTube page, or maybe even you'll see it on our website at HomeShowRadio.com.